Hey you guys, Tiffany here, and I'm super excited because I have just partnered with my first ever brand, Jesus Loves You company. I'm super excited about being a brand ambassador for this company because we get to spread awareness about Jesus loving us, and it is really a conversation starter for people that may see you wearing their gear. And so this video is going to be an unboxing and a try on, so let's jump into it. So I have the package here from Jesus Loves You company. I ordered a whole bundle, so I'm super excited because I am going to get a lot of stuff in here. And I ordered everything in a size extra large because that is usually my standard t-shirt size. So let's jump right in. Okay, so first off, we have this crew neck sweatshirt, and like you guys can see, it says Jesus Loves You. Wow, this is actually a bit oversized, so that's nice. I can wear it as an oversized sweatshirt. So it says Jesus Loves You on the front, and then it says check front for good news. How cute is that? And so if somebody's walking behind you, they're gonna want to see what's on your shirt. Then they'll see Jesus Loves You and be encouraged, or maybe want to have a chat with you. Also in here is a hoodie. All right, perfect for those warm days. Also oversized. Okay, so what I am seeing is that this stuff is oversized. So if you want it to be a little bit bigger, you'll order your regular size. If you want it to fit true to size, you can order a size down. So this is Jesus Loves You. And of course, this is like men's sizing, so it's a little bit bigger. Check front for good news. Again, love that. And then we got some more goodies in here, a couple of t-shirts and some stickers, which I'm excited about. Then we have the t-shirts in this cream color. Again, this one says Jesus Loves You on the front. Actually, so I noticed that like the hoodies and the crew neck are a little bit bigger, but this seems true to size. So the material is thinner. It's kind of a nice lightweight t-shirt, and then I have this one, which I love. One of the pastors at my church, I think, has this, and it says this is for everybody on the front, and then on the back it says first love, and then you see a hand there with a piercing, so to represent Christ dying for us. So I really like this one. I love black tees, if you guys don't already know that about me. And then for those of you guys who like stickers, maybe for your computer and stuff like that, there's a whole bundle of stickers in here. So you can put these like on a journal, you can put these on your computer. Oh, it's in Spanish. Jesus te ama. Then you got this one that you guys saw on the t-shirt. We have JLY for Jesus Loves You, Jesus Loves You, and love people, be genuine, don't stop. That is super cool. And so Jesus Loves You is a company spreading awareness about the love of Jesus Christ. You guys can also use my code down below to get a special discount. This bundle was actually on sale, so I got it for I think about 50% off. And so you guys can use my code to also get a discount. And so thank you guys for watching. Let's do some try on to see how some of the gear fit. All right, so I put on the black t-shirt first. Of course, this is true to size extra large. And as you guys can see, it has the logo on the back. And it's super cute to just wear out, wear to church, to wear anywhere, just to show people the love of Christ. All right, let's try on everything else. All right, you guys, this is t-shirt number 2. It just says Jesus loves you in this nice cream color. This would look great with some like light wash denim, ripped jeans, maybe some white gym shoes or some sandals, or you can do black on the bottom and you can do black shoes with some nice jewelry. But I really like this color a lot. It's a nice, just cream, like nude color. Love it. All right, here's the hoodie. So it's actually true to size. It looked way bigger when I was holding it up, but it fits really, really nicely. And then you have the good news on the front, wording on the back, and then Jesus loves you. Super, super cute hoodie. I actually really like this fit. It's not oversized, but it's also not too tight. So it's like a perfect fit. And you can wear this with some jeans. You can throw on some leggings and some gym shoes and run out. Great conversation starter. Super cute. And again, these were in their bundle. And I got a 50% off, so I'm super happy about that because I have some great Jesus loves you, love you gear to wear. And last but not least, we have this crew neck, probably my favorite piece in this collection. Love it. Yeah, I really like this. I love crew necks because if you wear makeup like me, you'll notice you always will get makeup on a hoodie. Like even when you try not to, you always get makeup on it. And so I love crew necks because they don't touch your face. You're not gonna get makeup on it. And it's just a really nice, sporty, classic look. So go get Jesus Loves You gear. Go to their website, use my code, get that discount. And I'm super excited to partner with them. This is my first time being a brand ambassador. And what better way to do it than sharing the love of Christ with you guys. You know, Jesus is my number one. I love him with all my heart. And so I love that I get the opportunity to share this clothing line with you guys. Go check them out. All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time.